Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing a remote machine that actually runs Visual Studio Code, because your phone will only act as the client. Provision a cloud VM or use a Raspberry Pi, and install Code Server or enable VS Code Remote SSH. These let the editor run remotely. Once done, configure networking. Open port 8080 or 8443, or set up an SSH tunnel, and create an SSH key or strong password. Make sure to enable a firewall rule so only you can connect. Next, connect from your phone. Open the Code Server web UI in a modern mobile browser, or use an SSH client app Termius or Blink Shell to forward ports and authenticate. Enter your SSH key or token. Once authenticated, you'll see the full VS Code interface in the browser. Make sure to mount or sync your project. Use SFTP, Git, or cloud storage so files are available. Once synced, install extensions server-side and set editor settings for touch input and reduced screen width. Finally, optimize the experience and no one-key fix. Tweak VS Code settings for mobile. Increase font size, enable word wrap, and configure a single-column layout. Install touch-friendly extensions. Keep Code Server or your remote service updated and restart it if the UI becomes sluggish. If you lose connection, check the SSH key, firewall rules, and server status. Often a restart of the SSH service or re-establishing the tunnel fixes it. Make sure to secure access with keys so problems aren't.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.